Welcome to Quick and Easy Microwave Kitchen, your go-to channel for fast, healthy, and delicious microwave meals. Microwave cooking is simple, efficient, and nutritious. Today, we're making Quick Endive Bake, a creamy and flavorful dish featuring fresh Belgian endive, savory ham, and melted cheese. Perfect for busy weeknights or as a hearty side dish, this recipe is ready in just minutes and packed with delicious flavors. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 Belgian endives, approximately 300 grams, a crisp and slightly bitter vegetable that softens beautifully when cooked. 4 slices of ham, approximately 200 grams, adds a savory flavor and protein boost. 1 onion, finely chopped, adding a subtle sweetness and enhancing the overall flavor of the dish. 3 tomatoes, juicy and fresh, balancing the dish with a hint of sweetness. 1 teaspoon ketchup, for a tangy undertone. 1 teaspoon mustard, adds a little kick to the sauce. 6. Salt and pepper, for seasoning. 7. Unsalted margarine or butter, to grease the dish. 50 grams grated cheese, preferably aged cheese for a rich, melty topping. 9. Optional, oregano, lemon juice, or aromat spice blend for added flavor. Here's how to prepare your creamy endive bake with ham and cheese. Step 1. Clean the endives. Remove any discolored leaves, trim the base, and slice them lengthwise. Rinse well under cold water. Step 2. Roll each endive half in a slice of ham and secure with a toothpick. Step 3. Lightly grease a microwave-safe dish with margarine or butter and arrange the ham-wrapped endives in a single layer. Step 4. Dice the tomatoes and mix them with ketchup, mustard, and seasonings. Spread this mixture over the ham rolls. Step 5. Sprinkle grated cheese evenly over the top for a gooey, golden finish. Time to let the microwave work. Cover the dish with a microwave-safe lid or wrap it in cling film, leaving a small vent for steam to escape. Cook on full power, adjust time based on your microwave's wattage. 500 watts, 12 to 14 minutes. 650 watts, 10 to 12 minutes. 750 to 850 watts, 8 to 10 minutes. Once the cheese is melted and bubbly, your snap Endivepanna is ready to serve. Serve your creamy endive bake as a standalone meal or pair it with freshly baked bread, boiled potatoes, or a crisp green salad for a complete and satisfying dinner. Nutritional information per serving. Calories, approximately 230. Protein, approximately 12 grams. Fat, approximately 9 grams. Carbohydrates, approximately 15 grams. Thank you for joining us for today's quick and easy recipe. We hope you love this delicious creamy endive bake with ham and cheese. If you try it out, let us know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple, healthy microwave recipes. See you next time.